Guys, today I got back to the Nissan Murano 2004 model that was brought to my attention last week that the car cranks and will not start after overheating, and the mechanic after checking actually said that he believed the top cylinder head gasket didn't blow. So he waited until the engine cooled off completely before he added the coolant back inside the system. But the car cranks and will not start. Now I've solved that problem, and there is a newer problem here. The newer problem here is that this car starts up in the morning and ejects seriously, vibrates a whole lot. So the customer is back on this issue. Kind of a little bit like what Nissan did to this car. Many people really don't like it because of, especially in Nigeria here, because of its problems. But for me, technician, I'm not gonna say I like it because of any other thing. I only like it, I only fancy this car because it communicates effectively with my scan too, and so that is something which most Toyota which have tried to fix lacks, and that makes it a little bit tricky situation to deal with. So here I'm gonna run a quick diagnosis on this very car, then I'll give you guys exactly what to look out for when you got that kind of a problem where you start up the car in the morning and it started vibrating erratically, shaking the rest of them. So let me allow my computer to boot on. Wanna how far? Okay guys, so, my dear, I looked here before. The motor there start going, but was the very force on a was on the music. So I was in Subahoka, which is in my car way, but they say that's not starting in the morning now, only shaking now vibrating. But you're not funny bar, so bomb with Erika, a brother also free. Okay, how potago? How potago? Chairman, this your car go take money from you this time.
What kind of money for?
First, for gear own. In fact, what now they see for the gear own, it just better make you just change the valve body. But if not for the engine own, the engine alone, to stabilize this problem, no be fuel pump matter. It will take at least 45k.
45?
Yes.
What in?
Parts, and I know that they're good to tell people story of waiting at the do. Now when I do and finish, you will see them. If you know work, I'll give you back your money. I know what I mean that. But anything above anything above that,
I'll just go to for house. I do everything. I spend 50-something thousand.
50-something thousand. Now they had you to give me 45 for my this thing. Why be say
no? Now it's your own. Now they tell you so now.
Okay, with my own
everything 55,000. Then I'll
hey, wow.
Go keep them there.
Wow. You don't want to where they follow me for this car, be say their parts, people they really charge me that they get some car where go be. The parts where I buy that very day, at least 3 of them, you know, go past 7.5, but they reach almost 10 to 12,000 for the parts. Apart from the money where I pay the other guy where follow me work. So the rest, and if you come out money transport where carry goes by, and the one where I give the Okada man make carry bring the last part. So nothing really there for me for that thing. So normal me, if your car no green star where come meet me, you go for meet money. Oh.
Anything for.
Hey, Okay. Okay. Ah, my dear. Automatic detection. Okay. On the ignition, that is why. Let me go ahead and put the ignition on, and let's do automatic again. Should be able to detect it. This scanner is powerful. Should be able to detect it. Still reading, it's still reading. Oh my gosh. Okay, here you go. So click OK. Yes. Okay, automatic system selection. We'll go to engine. Allow it to do its own thing. Communication initialization. Let's go. Let's see what the problem is, because it's having multiple problems. Okay, we're gonna do that, and we're gonna check the transmission system, but I want to check the engine control module first. I was actually thinking it could be okay. Read error code. Okay, here we go. Now this is kind of, that's it. Close loop bank 1. There's too many problems here. Cylinder 6. It has even torque converter issue. That's torque converter clutch solenoid. So it has pressure control solenoid A problem, pressure control solenoid B problem, circuit of power steering, that's not a problem, vehicle speed sensors, well, auto speed control. So there's a whole lot of problem with this automatic transmission system, but that's not why this problem is happening. This is the reason why that vibration, that terrible issues is happening in the morning. Start up and having a lot of vibration. That P0021 there is for variable valve timing. Nissan will call it inlet valve timing control. So for the bank 2, that is exactly what the problem is. Then coupled with the cylinder 6 misfire, these are heater circuit air fuel ratio is oxygen sensor. Oxygen sensor can be able to cause this kind of problems, right? So my own advice, since you have these other problems, is to simply replace the valve body and check the transmission fluid level, check the transmission fluid system, and see what happens. But before replacing the valve body, check the transmission fluid level. If it is okay, and check the health of the transmission fluid. If it is in good condition, then fine. But if it is not in good condition, then no problem. Replace it, get it to the right spec, then test run and see what if the problem issue is solved. Because here the stepper motor, torque converter, pressure control solenoid, a whole lot, right? So I'm certain maybe the transmission fluid is low, and that is why most of this problem is popping up. But if the transmission level is as where it's supposed to be, and this problem is occurring, then definitely all this is to be taken into account. So guys, needlessly to wipe it, because these are all current. They are not happening as history. So if we go to the transmission control module right now, which is this guy here, okay, read trouble code. Okay, so you can see it here. The stepper motor, torque converter, pressure solenoid A, pressure solenoid B. But should you choose not to replace it completely, you can replace it independently and save a whole lot of money, right? So guys, let me see if I can actuate this guys here and see what happens. So special function, calibrate adjustment of the engine brake, confirm variable, transmission use CVT. Oh, that is not it. I don't think it's actually gonna give me to do actuation testing here, so it can't give me actuation testing here. Okay guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.